হুম।
Thank you so much, sir. And can we just cheer Bharat Mata?
Organizing committee, legal
Yeah. No.
So, with your permission, I would like to introduce all the invited and other distinguished dignitaries present on the dais of the celebrated function of this day.